Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need red, black, and white pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and some string. And you're going to start with this pattern here. So if you need to stop the video, you can. We're going to start by putting on 2 red beads, 1 on each side, red that goes through both, red on one side, black on the other, red that goes through both, red on each side, red that goes through both, red on each side, red that goes through both, red on one side, black on the other, red that goes through both, and our last 2, red on each side. We're going to hold this end and pull the other string. Make that tight and then we'll tie it. You can cut that off. You'll put your needle on. We're going to go through this red. And this whole row will be red. Okay, we're going to flip this over. We'll go through this red. You're going to add black. You're going to add another black. You're going to add red. Another black. Another black. We're going to flip this over. You're going to go through both of these red. And then this row will be red. Okay, we're going to flip this over. You're going to add red. Okay, we have our last red bead. We're going to go through these 2. You're going to go up these 2 red and then down this one. Flip it over. This row will be red. Okay, we're going to go down these 2. Up this one and then down this one. This row will be red. And this time we're going to go through these two. Down this one. And up these two. Flip it over. We're going to add red, white, black, another black. You're going to add white and red. We're going to go down these two red, up these two, and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add black, white, black, white, black. Flip it over. We're going to add red, black, black, another black, black, and red. You're going to go down these two. You're going to go up these two. And then down this one. Flip it over. Okay, we're going to add black, another black, red, black, another black. Flip it over. Gonna add red, black, black, another black. We're gonna add black and red. You're gonna go down these two. Up these two and then down this one. You're going to add black, another black, red, black, and another black. Flip it over. We're going to add red, black, red, red, black, and red. We're going to go down these two. Whoops. Well, if I can get it on there. You're going to go up these two and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add red. This whole row will be red. Okay, you're going to go down these two, up this black, and then down this red. Flip it over. This row will be red. Okay, we're going to go down these two black, up this black, and then down this red. Flip it over. This row will be red. We're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add two red. You're going to go down these two red, up this one, and then down this one. And then flip it over. We're going to add our last red. And I'm going to go ahead and go through all of these beads to tie it over here because it'll just be easier. But if you want to tie it down here, you can. Okay guys, that's what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.